Hi guys, I'm sorry I can't be with you today, but I'm going to still be with you for our first lesson in Unit 11. We're going to look at two new phonemes today, and then we're going to review a bunch of phonemes or sounds that you already know, and we're going to look at our new heart words for this week. All right. The first new phoneme we have is A-L. When we see A-L, we're going to say all, kind of like a heart word, all, A-L-L. A-L also makes the sound all. So A-L, we're going to look, think, say, says all. Good job. So like I said, it is also spelled A-L-L. So this is going to say the same sound, all. Look, think, say, all. Good job. Let's keep reviewing. Look, think, say. Look, think, say. Ch. Look, think, say. Ch. Look, think, say. J. J. Ch. Ch. All. 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 Qu. Look, think, say. Good job. Look, think, say. 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 All, ch. Good job. Let's keep going. Look, think, say. Look, think, say. Look, think, say. Good. All right. I'm going to have our substitute teacher pick 3 friends that can read our first one. 1 volunteer for this one. 1 volunteer for this one. 1 volunteer for this one. We can always pause if you need more time. 1 volunteer for this one. 1 volunteer for this one. 1 volunteer for this one. Again, you can always pause if you need more time. 1 volunteer for this one. 1 volunteer for this one. And 1 last volunteer for this one. Nice. All right. I don't think my video is going to be able to record this, so I'm going to turn the sound off and kind of tell you about our heart words this week. All right, so we know that heart words are the tricky parts of words and that we just have to kind of remember the tricky parts. So when we put our heart over our word, we know that's the tricky part and the part we need to remember and know by heart. All right, our 5 words this week are an, come, which, she, and do. An. No tricky parts. We can sound out both parts. A, n, an. Come. Yeah. Our O is a little tricky. Kind of sounds like a U. We have to remember that's an O. We have to remember that there's that tricky E at the end. Come. So we don't hear that E, but we know that the E goes at the end. C-O-M-E, come. All right, our next word is which. W-I-Ch. Which. No tricky parts. We can sound out all the parts. W-I-Ch. Which. Which one would I choose? All right, she. Sh. E. She. No heart. No. Oh, our E is kind of a tricky part. Sh. E. It's a long E, not our So we have to remember it's long E, just an E. Sh. E. All right, our last part. Do. D. Ooh. Ooh, that does not sound like an O. D. Ooh. We have to remember that when we sound out do, it's going to be spelled with a tricky part. D-O. D. Ooh. D. D-O. Do. All right. So we have 2 words with no heart tricky parts and 3 with tricky parts. So we're going to remember these heart words for our week. All right, let's see if we can do some practice with them. All right. Look, think, say, and good job. Look, think, say, come. Look, think, say, which. Good job. All right. Look, think, say, she. Good job. Look, think, say, do. Good job. Look, think, say, your. Look, think, say, can. Look, think, say, said. Look, think, say, there. Look, think, say, down. All right, let's call these out. We have down, which, come. All right, look, think, say. Good. Look, think, say. Look, think, say. Good job. Look, think, say. Good. Look, think, say. Good. Which, down, she. Look, think, say. Good job. Look, think, say. Look, think, say. Look, think, say. Good. Look, think, say. All right. Same thing. We're going to have a couple different heart words, and I'm going to need some volunteers. All right. We need 1 volunteer to read our first 3. I need 1 volunteer to read our next 3. I need another volunteer to read our next 3. Good. If you need some more time, you can pause. All right. Let's see if we can get a new volunteer to do our next 3. All right. Another volunteer to do our next 3. All right. And 1 more volunteer for our last 3. Nice, nice, nice. All right. You can pause if you need more time. I need 3 last volunteers. 1 for our first 3. All right. I need another volunteer for my next 3. All right. And our last one last volunteer to read our last 3 words. Good job. Good job. Thanks for raising your hand and volunteering, friends. All right. That is all we have today. You have 1 follow-up to do, and if you finish your follow-up, you can use your Chromebooks to do really great reading playground. Thank you guys for working hard today.